Hello students, good morning all. Myself Surekha Patel and today we are going to start our new lesson. Chapter number 11, the United Nations, that is UN. Students, all we have to be know that we all have to be as a going on the path of truth and non-violence. And these features should be learned by our beloved national father, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Before the independence happening is that the entire world should become a victim of world war, and for that all the nation has to be demanded for the peace, and that is why it is necessary to create our organization who check out the control of these all victims. Here we have to be studies about this organization in this lesson. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे एक शांति के प्रतीक के लिए एक पोइट्री दी गई है. वी हैव टू बी फर्स्ट लर्न अबाउट इट. शांति के गीत गाए जा, क्रांति के गीत गाए जा, कह रहा है तिरंगा अब ऊंचा सर उठाए जा, रंग धर्म जाति भेद रहे हैं लग में खेद, बंधनों को तोड़ के एकता को लाए जा, युद्ध की गतियों को घोर छा रही है चारों ओर, शांति की हवाएं बंदियों में हटाए जा, विश्व का भविष्य आज नौजवान तेरे हाथ को, प्रेम के प्रकाश को विश्वास में फैलाए जा. शांति, peace, that is necessary to develop any nation, and it is necessary to have to be created. This should be done into entire world. शांति की रचना के लिए पूरे विश्व को एकजुट में यूनिफॉर्मली चलाने के लिए इट इज नेसेसरी टू क्रिएट अ वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Why do we need an international institutions? Massive destructive wars are caused in the most of the countries during the World War I. World War I के समय में पूरे विश्व को World War I की जो कंट्रीज है इसका जो डिस्ट्रक्शन है हैव टू बी caused by people of the world wanted a peace. अभी विश्व के सारे लोगों को शांति की जरूरत थी. Historical experience proved that it was essential to establish an international organization to safeguard peace in the world. It is necessary to create a one organization that have to be under control all the world with a peace, unite different countries and promote international cooperation. That is, अलग-अलग देश की जो countries है they have to be leading together and promote the cooperation. The idea of an international organization was presented by Woodrow Wilson. ये शांति के प्रतीक के रूप जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की रचना फॉर्मेशन होने वाला था, that idea should be presented by the Woodrow Wilson, the then President of US, who is the President of US. As a result, the League of Nations was established in the year 1920. और उनके ये आइडिया से लीग ऑफ नेशन की एस्टैब्लिशमेंट यानी फॉर्मेशन हुआ विथ एन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ मेंटेनिंग पीस एंड कॉर्पोरेशन एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल. बिकॉज ऑफ उनकी मेन पर्पस क्या थे? टू हैव टू बी मेंटेनिंग अ पीस इन टू होल वर्ल्ड एंड cooperation at international level. This was the first effort to establish any such international institutions. For a certain period of time, League of Nations tried to prevent war between nations by solving the disputes diplomatically. थोड़े समय तक ये जो नेशन है, लीग ऑफ नेशन जो है, यानी ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उन्होंने देश को जो वॉर है यानी युद्ध से बचाया एंड उनके बीच में जो डिस्प्यूट्स थे जो सॉल्विंग किए. बट इट फेल्ड इन द प्रोटेक्टिंग वीकर नेशन को प्रोटेक्शन करने में वो फेल रहे. फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग अटैक बाय द स्ट्रॉन्गर नेशन जो वीकर नेशन के ऊपर अटैक करते थे उनको बचाने में यानी वीकर नेशन को बचाने में उनका जो डिप्लोमेटिक व्यू था दैट शुड बिकम अ फेल, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर was broken out. और जिसकी वजह से सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर जो है वो सामने आया। The World War II, it should be a very dangerous to the nation. The World War was the destructive than the World War I. वन से भी ज़्यादा भयानक और नुकसानदायक ये रहा। Atomic bomb was used to massacre a lot of people. बहुत सारे लोगों के ऊपर जो एटॉमिक बॉम्ब जो है वो यूज़ किए गए। Almost all the countries of the world were more or less affected by it and create a havoc in the world. For that, ये जो atomic bomb should be used in the World War II, that should be create a hazard effect on the people, on the mind of the people. लोगों के दिमाग के ऊपर इसकी जो इफेक्ट थी, that should be a very dangerous. So that formation of United Nations organization should be created, which was carried out for the uniformly peace and maintain the dignity with the nation. Diplomats across the world were determined to free the world from the immediate danger of war and world war. It is necessary to diplomat across should be determined. Franklin D. Roosevelt, the then president of US, put in effort to establish a world organization, and as a result on 24th October 1945, United Nations organization was established in order to sustain peace in the world and promote the welfare of the people. For that, Franklin D. Roosevelt, who is the president of USA, effort to establish an organization on 24th October 1945, which known as the United Nations Organization, which was the work for the sustain of peace in the entire world and promote the welfare of the nation. It was called UNO, that means United Nations Organization in short, and now it is recognized as a United Nation. The UN started with 51 nations as its members, and today the number has grown to 193. Here the United Nations should be participate with 51 nations, and presently the number of these nations should be increased. Presently here 193 nations should be together and member of these institutions. The tenure of the General Secretary of the UN is of 5 years. The time period of this organization is 5 years. He was re-elected in the year 2011 for the second term of this post. South Sudan of America became the 193rd to join the country to the UN. The official language of the UN are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. The organization has been worked for the maintenance peace. When the committee should be established, that time here the 5 languages should be used. Majority here Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish language should be used to communicate with the people of the earth. Objective of the UN, for which purpose they have to be worked, so that the objective of the UN as mentioned in the charter, the constitution should be framed by the United Nations, and this constitution should be run for the development of the nation. Here the objective should be given. The first one is to maintain the international peace and safety. First objective is there. Entire world, everybody, all the nations have to get the peace and safety. To promote the feeling of friendship among the members nations. Those are the member nations. We have to be developed the friendship and membership with them. To solve economic, social cultural and humanity related problems at an international level. Next, to seek cooperation to create a feeling of respect of human rights and the fundamental rights to freedom. The United Nations have to be work together with the cooperation of respect of human rights and the fundamental rights of the freedom. These objectives are realized by the 6 organs of the UN. Let's know about each in the short. यूनाइटेड नेशंस के 6 ऑर्गन्स जो है जो वर्क करते हैं जिसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. तो ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन, दैट इज अ सेक्रेटरीट, दैट इज इम्प्लीमेंट एंड डिजाइंस टेकन बाय द वेरियस ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द यूनियन. जो इम्प्लीमेंट्स करने हैं वो सेक्रेटरीट्स के द्वारा देखे जाते हैं. जनरल असेंबली, द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द कंट्रीज टू डिस्कस एंड सॉल्व द इंटरनेशनल इश्यूज. इंटरनेशनल इश्यूज जो है उसको सॉल्व करने का काम जो है दैट शुड बी टेकन इनटू द जनरल असेंबली. सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल्स safeguards the international securities. International Court of Justice solve the disputes among the member nations. Trusteeship Council helps to acquire freedom for the foreign rule. जो फॉरेन रूल्स है उसको फ्रीडम को जो एक्वायर करने की हेल्प जो है लोगों को दी जाती है. इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल्स improves the economic and social condition for the welfare of the people. लोगों की इकोनॉमिक और सोशल जो कंडीशंस है उनको इम्प्रूव करने का काम जो है वो इकोनॉमिक और सोशल काउंसिल के अंदर जो है देखी जाती है. थैंक यू.